So next is question number 41. Produce a report which shows all the fields from all the data. Here has to calculate a new field called as value, which is calculated at runtime. How is value calculated? Price multiplied by number in stock. The value field has to be set as currency with two decimal places. Shows only the records for the skill level is beginner. So these things has to be done in the query. To produce a report, you should first make a query with some criteria is given and with the new value field you are asked to calculate. So we will make the new field called as value first. Open your database. This is the table you are going to create the query. Go to create tab, query wizard. You don't have to do anything here. Select the required fields. Name the query sensibly so that you can easily identify which query belongs to which question. So I'm naming it as query value. Modify query design finish. So we are being asked to calculate a new field called as value. Go to the last empty column, type value, the name of the new field, followed by colon, open square brackets, price, multiplied by number in stock. Since we have only number here, just type number. Make sure you type exactly the same spelling and the name for the fields. Press enter. Now click run. You got the value field here. You're asked to make the value field as currency with two decimal places. Again, go back to the design view of the query. Click on the value field, right click, properties. It should be made to currency with two decimal places. Done. Save, run. That's done. A condition has been given, shows only the records for the skill level is beginner. So you have to reframe your query. The skill level, the criteria, beginner. So in the criteria, just write beginner, enter, run. You will get only those records where the skill level is beginner. So the query part is over. Now you are going to make a report based on this query. So while making the report, you have to consider some things. Fits on a single page wide. All the fields and labels should be shown in full. It should be having a page orientation of landscape. Sorts the data into ascending order of make. So now, based on this query, you are going to make the report. Go to the Create tab, Report Wizard. Make sure query value is selected here. Select all the fields. Next. Next. You can sort. You are asked to sort according to ascending order of make. So we are selecting make here. You are asked to make the page orientation to landscape. Make sure this box is ticked. Give the name for the report. Later part of the question, you are asked to name the report as guides for beginners. So I'm naming the report like that. Modify report design. Finish. The report design has been made now. Let's see the layout view of the report. Some of the fields are not clearly visible. You can see hashtags here because there is not enough space. You have to arrange the fields so that all the fields are clearly visible and the data. So click make together with airbrush. There are different ways to adjust the field. You can choose your own convenient method. So now we have nicely arranged a report. All the fields and the data names are clearly visible.